The wait is over. Now, you don't need to go anywhere for voice cloning. You can do it for free within a single software and use it unlimited times. First, visit the dubdub.com website using the link given in the video description. Then sign up using your Gmail account. After signing up, click on the Instant Voice Cloning option and upload a voice sample of at least 1 minute. Next, select your voice language in the language section. Then choose the accent, select gender, and set the style. Now go back and click on AI VoiceOver. Then on the right side, click on More VoiceOver, select your own voice and paste your script. After that, go to the right side and click on Generate Full Text to create your voice clone. You will see some samples where you can check how your voice clone sounds.
एक अजनबी ने दरवाजा खटखटाया, दरवाजा खुला लेकिन बाहर कोई नहीं था। फिर अचानक एक आवाज आई।
इसीलिए बोलते हैं नासा वाले बहुत खतरनाक होते हैं। दरअसल नासा एक ऐसा इंडिस्ट्रक्टेबल टायर बनाने जा रहा है जो ना कभी पंचर होता है और ना कभी फटता है। और
The boy opened the old book, and suddenly the room filled with whispers from the past. What happens next?
Now, click on the export option at the top, select the MP3 format, and download your audio. Your voice clone is now ready. If you want to use it unlimited times, follow the same steps and sign up using TempMail from the description link. You can create shorts or any video using your own voice like this. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel and comment below about any problems you're facing or which topic you want in the next video.